pink?
I like pink. Oh, thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Today here, we're to honor a special individual that's gone through some terrible times in the last years or two, and we want to make sure that she understands that we're here for her and we love her and we want to support her. And that, that's what firefighters, as firefighters try to do. And we try to be involved in different things to help those who really need some support. And Michelle is the perfect candidate that I can't think of anybody else that I would think would need our support as much as we love Michelle as much. I've never heard this woman speak a negative thing about anybody or anything. Always. She may have said that against Clarice, and I can understand why. But today we're here and we're going to dedicate one of our trucks to Michelle and everything in her honor. And I want to tell you a little bit of story about the pink trucks you see in front of us. This engine right here behind us, we acquired about a year or so ago. Joe actually purchased that, fixed the apparatus, and started the Guardians of the Ribbon Upper Alabama chapter here that we have. And that was put in honor, we wanted to dedicate that in honor of one of our firefighters' wives, which is here, Atlanta. And you'll see her name's on the side of that truck. She had breast cancer and everything, and is a breast cancer survivor, so we're celebrating that with her and with Michelle today. And so, without further ado, Lisa, I'm going to give you the honors. Come on.
Got screen on both sides.
This is in honor of Michelle. We did spell it right, right?
All the pink trucks have a name dedicated in honor of somebody.
Well, thank you. Thank y'all so much. Oh, y'all.
You keep coming over here.
Okay, well, let's do this too.